That's the sister of that bird. Again, when they get older, you can tell they're going to have nice pearlish eyes. Again, reasonable size, flying size. Wasn't thinking much of pairing or getting young ones from the mother. So there you go. They've also got 2 eggs, so last round. The first 2, and I'm very happy with that. Another nice little bird. They're the father of those young ones. This big fella. Smart looking bird. I got Breeders' Cup. So his father is a Tomich and the mother is a Veso. Okay. That's him. That's his father. And this is the mother.